Welcome to All India Juvo Computer Saksharata Mission, a complete online computer education system. In this class, this is the another session on learning Python online. In this class, we will learn the logical operator. What is the functionality of logical operator in Python? We will learn about the logical operator. In Python. Okay. Now we have to learn about the logical operator in Python. These are the three logical operators that we have in Python: and, or, and not. These are the three logical operators that Python have. For Boolean type of behavior, and is just like that, and if both the argument are true, then only the result is true. If both the argument are true, then only result is true. Okay. So, and return true if both the argument are true. We will explain it. We will explain it with the help of program. Right now, we have discussed the basic theory, or if at least one condition, at least one argument is true, then result is true. Okay. Now not is a complement. Not is actually a complement. So, if true and false, then false. If true or false, then true. If you use or, then it is true, and not false means true, and not true means false. It is the complement. Okay. So, this is the logic. 0 means false, and all the non-zero item means true. Empty string is always treated as false. Remember it. 0 means false. Non-zero means true, and empty string is always treated as false. These are the logic of logical operator. And, or, and not, these three are the logical operator in Python. And if both of the argument are true, then it return true. If at least one of the argument are true, then it return true for or, and not is the complement. Okay. So, if x and y are two variables, if x is evaluated to false, return x, otherwise return y. This is a very important concept. Look at that. If x and y okay, if x and y. Okay. Now, if x is evolutes to false, return x, otherwise return y. What is the meaning of that? It is just like that. 10 and 20, 10 and 20, okay. The answer is, because 10 is also a true value, we know that except 0 every value is true. 10 is a true value and 20 is also a true value. What if x evolute false? If x, this is the x value and this is the y value. If x value is true, if x value is false, return x. If this value is not false, so it return y. So answer is 20. Okay. Now 0 and 20, because of this the x value is false, 0 is false, it will return 0. That is the answer. This is actually the example of AND logical operator. Okay. Now x or y, x or y, what is the logic? Logic is that if x evolutes to true, then result is x. The opposite to AND, otherwise result is y. Otherwise result is y. I just show you the example. 10 or 20. What is the logic? If x value, this is the x value and this is the y value, this is x value, this is y value. If x evaluate true, 10 means true because all the non-zero elements are true, then x, then result is x. In that case, if it true, it will return y value, but in this case it is just opposite to AND. The answer is, so if it is OR, the answer is 10, and if it is false, 0 or 20, then it return 20. Okay. The meaning of that line is that, I think I explain, this is the meaning of that line. If the x value is true, then x is the answer. If x value is false, then y is the answer. Okay. Now if we use not x means, just like not 10, that means it is false. Not 10, that means 10 means true, not 10 means false. Opposite of a true, opposite of true. Not 10 means not true, not true means false. And not 0, that means not false, it means it is true. It provide you the answer like that one. If I write this in my Python editor, here I will show you 10 and 20. For AND operator, if x evaluate false, here this is the x, this is the y, x is not false, so it returned 20 as an answer. The same thing if I use OR, the 10 is the answer, because in OR the condition is that if the x value evaluate true, then it return x or it return y. Okay. Now for in x value 0 and 20, what will be the output? In this case the output is 0. For y 0 or 20, in this case the output is 0. Not 0, not 0 means not false, that means true. Not 10 means not true, is similar to not true. It's similar to, but we cannot convert a true into false like that. It's similar to true. Not 10 means not true, so it return false. Not 0 means not false, it return true. Okay. That is what is that is the thing that we have learned in logical operator. One thing, if we take a string Tanu and soft, the logic is that if first value is false, if x value is false, empty string means false, then this one, else we will return this one. So soft is the answer. Same condition for OR. If first value is true, then it will return, in this case it will return Tanu. Okay. If it is empty, means like that, or soft, then it will return soft. If we do the same thing in for AND, then it will return the empty value. Okay. For AND, if it is false, then it return the false, it return the false value. We are using the same concept for string also. In the case of the string, if the string is empty, then it treated as a false value. So that's it. That is the concept of logical operator and or and not operator. Okay. So that's it for this class. We will see you in the next class, from where we discuss about the bitwise operator, how bitwise operator are functionality of bitwise operator and how they work. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you.